Good morning everyone, this is Prexy Antimaisep, DDM3, and I am about to discuss the different type of local anesthesia techniques. So we have local infiltration, nerves anesthetized, small terminal nerves ending, area of treatment, same as injection area. Field block, the nerves anesthetized, the larger terminal nerves, branches of area of treatment, an area away from the site of local anesthetic injection. So we have the nerve block, nerves anesthetized, main nerve trunk, area of treatment, distance from the site of injection. So guys, before anything or before you start any procedure, you need to ensure that you are wearing your PPE or your personal protective equipment. Dental anesthetic armamentarium includes the instruments, materials, and drugs used for administering local anesthesia in dental procedures. A proper knowledge of these tools ensures safe and effective pain management. So first in our armamentarium is the local anesthetic agent. So we have a lidocaine, 2% with epinephrine, most commonly used for anesthetic for a dental procedure. Second is the syringe, as aspirating syringe is most commonly used, allow for blood aspiration to prevent intravascular injection. So third, the needles, a short needles, 27 or 30 gauge, used for infiltration of anesthesia. Ang long needle naman is 35 mm, 25 or 27 gauge, used for nerve blocks like inferior alveolar nerves. Next, we have the topical anesthesia. Benzocaine 20% gel or spray used for surface numbing before injection. Or lidocaine ointment 5% to provide effective topical anesthesia. The next, we have the cotton rolls and used for drying and isolating the injection site. A needle holder. We have the needle holder. Assistant holding anesthetic equipment. And then we have the sharp containers for safe disposal or of use of needles and cartridge. Now let's go step by step through the process of loading the carpule. First, check the carpule. Inspect for cracks, leaks, or expired medication. Open it first. Retract the piston, fold back the syringe flagger to allow the room for the carpule. Insert the carpule, place the anesthetic carpule into the syringe barrel with a rubber stopper facing the carpule. Oops. Okay, like that. Then, engage the harpoon, push the flagger forward forcefully so that harpoon securely engage the rubber stopper. This allows for aspiration during injection. Then attach the needles. So you're already attached the needles. Now let's go over the unloading process. Remove the needles carefully, unscrew and dispose of the used needle in sharp container. So unscrew. And then dispose. Next, designate the carpule. Retract the piston slightly to release the harpoon from the rubber stopper. Retract. Remove the carpule gently, slide out, or unuse the carpule from the syringe. Then dispose of waste properly. Use the carpule should be discarded in appropriate medical waste containers.